Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see the solution for this question. Write a function that returns the smallest number in an array. So for this, we are going to define a function. Let us name it as find smallest. And we are going to pass an array in the parameter. For this, we need a variable called min, and we are going to initialize it with infinity. Why this infinity and what is this infinity? I have explained this in last video where we were finding the largest number in an array. So you can watch that. For quick explanation, this is the largest number in a number line. So largest positive number. And why we are initializing it with min is because once we start to compare each and every element in the array, we do not want to miss any case. So we want to make sure that every element is covered, whether it's positive or negative. That is the reason why we are doing it with infinity. So we can run a loop across this array's length and increment it by 1. Inside of this, we are going to check if this array of I is less than minimum. So that minimum will become this array of I. And once the loop is completed, we are going to return this min. So we are going to compare this element of each element of the array. Suppose this is the array. We are going to compare each and every element with this min value, and every time this min value is greater than the array of I, the value of this min value is going to be replaced. So let us see with an example. We are going to call this function, pass this array, and console this result. So the smallest should be minus 24. Let us run and check. It is minus 24. What if we remove minus from here? Then our answer should be minus 10, right? So yes, we are getting minus 10. This is the smallest. Let us do it for all the positive number. It should return 0. Yes, it is working fine for both positive and negative numbers. So yes, this was the solution for this question. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.